Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be unboxing and trying out this Pro setting machine that I got from Amazon. I'll link it down below in the video description in case you're interested of checking that out. But yeah, like always, it comes with the instructions on how to assemble or install and use the machine. And then inside the box, you're going to get a mix of, I think it was like five different Pro sizes along with its matching screw heads that go along with the Pro size. And then here's the machine. Pretty cool, pretty simple, not complicated. It doesn't look that scary. So yeah, remove the elastic band and it will lift up. And then if you go back to the instructions, is the second step says install the corresponding screw head according to the Pro size. So I'm going to replace the one that was already in the machine. I unscrewed that. I'm going to quickly match the Pro to one of the molds, and then I'm going to screw it back onto the machine. Okay, so on to step 3, it says place the rivet on the bottom of the machine. So again, if you go back to your Pro box, in the middle we have these really tiny metallic little pieces. They kind of look like studs, and basically we're going to place the flat part facing down and put it at the bottom of the machine, and it's ready to be used. Okay, so the reason why I bought this machine was because I wanted to embellish some of the veils that I sell on my bridal shop, and I didn't want to hot glue nor hand sew the pearls because I think it would take me forever. And so when I saw this machine, I thought it was really cool. It gives you a really professional look. If you glue the embellishments on tulle or sheer fabric, it looks kind of messy. Didn't like that. So this machine gives you like that nice finish. The only disclaimer that I do want to give is that you do need a lot of strength, okay? You need to put a lot of pressure on, and I think it has to do with the fact that it's really thin fabric, because later on I'll show you guys in the video with the cotton fabric how easy it was to use versus the tulle. I was kind of struggling pushing down. So that's the only disclaimer I want to give. But yeah, they do sell automatic pearl setting machines, but obviously I'm not there yet. But if you are, look into that. I've seen so many videos on Instagram. These machines are really cool, but again, they're pretty big, and I'm pretty sure they're expensive. So yeah, with the cotton fabric, I'm guessing because it's a little bit thicker, I didn't struggle as much, and it looked really nice. So again, if you're interested in this machine, I'll link it down below. But yeah, just a little disclaimer, you do need strength to push down, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.